ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan Raij phi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongphi kala banong ka jongphi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai
Ka Education Committee jaga Seiñ Jowai hakat hoi trik unok pra araja arphulai kala jungi kai kerpang yakinong hikai halo ka National Education Policy araja arpho hakabale shimbenta de kinong hikai ni school bapher bakin thop yakinong hikai jaga Seiñ Higher Secondary School Jowai ka Dulong Secondary School Jowai ka Panalier Secondary School Jowai ka Dulong Upper Primary School SSA ka Panalier SSA Upper Primary School ka Lumperdi Yongpia Upper Primary School SSA ka Pok Siang SSA Upper Primary School, Kachiliang Raij SSA Upper Primary School, Presbyterian ke Secondary School Jowai, ke Lumperdi Yongpia Lower Primary School SSA bat kiwe.
NPE, National Policy of Education, that were known in 1986. But some modifications were there. That means suggestions from the committees they come and it modified in 1992, and which was to inculcate some skills into the students also, and after that a new and latest policy of education, that is called National Education Policy NEP 2020, prepared by Indian government under the head of K. Kasturi Ranjan, and it was approved in a Union Cabinet in 19th July 2020. So it is known as National Education Policy 2020. So what is the need of this policy now? Because the first policy focused on to bring students to school. Second policy focused to on computer education mainly. Now this third one policy came also. So what is the need of this policy at this time? Because we all have the knowledge of technology also. Computers are very much, that means improved versions of computer we are using. This is the time of smartphones also. Drones we are using. There so many technologies have been developed. Now what is the need of this new policy? We have to think over it first of all. Our children, they are not excel at the world platforms in a developed country like in Japan, in Germany, in France, and that education system different from our education system. So to inculcate the human values, to empowering the educational system also, so that we will be at the platform of the world class levels, and education which we are giving in the schools, that should be implemented in our daily life also. But there is no, only rote learning is there, only rote learning to obtain the good marks only.